Hello Goodwallers. Today I'm going to teach you about the general interface of the Goodwall app and how you can interact with it. So once you open the app, this will take you to the general interface and you see list of featured challenges. These are the featured challenges. You can scroll through them with your hand to the left or to the right. Okay. This is where you can see list of the last viewed challenges. They appear here, last viewed challenges, and you see featured challenges. Just scroll through them like this. So this challenge is about planting a tree. It promotes climate action. This one is about work heroes, support skills and so on. This one is about exploration. This one is about talent show, and this one is about Goodwaller of the month and good agents. This one. So here are the top 3 challenges of the Goodwall program. So presently the top one is catch 10 liter. The next one is generative AI. The next one is AI basic. So they are the top 3 challenges. So this catch 10 liter challenge is an impact action. Okay, so every impact action challenge appears here. This is for AI, so all the generative AI challenges appear here. Okay, so you see, you can take part on any of them. There are many of them. Each one you have the potential to win $10. So imagine it, you partake of all these challenges and you are fortunate to win all. that will give you a lot of money anyways. This is Goodwall Originals, based on achievements, based on personal interest and so on. So you can find them here as well. So this is just the general interface of the home screen of the Goodwall app. As I always say, this is the home icon of Goodwall. And here is for
artificial intelligence, or AI,
like shorts,
is the ability
videos,
of a
and
computer
featured
system
videos.
to learn from past data.
This is
and
where you will
errors,
see them.
enabling it to make
You will see short videos and featured videos here. This is where you will come if you want to create your own video or so on, just like you using TikTok or whatsoever. You have to come here and touch on this icon here to either take a shot or to record video. And also you can touch here if you already have the video uploaded to your storage. Maybe you want to upload it now to Goodwall, you have to touch here. But for now, that is not what I want. Let's go back. This is for your channels and communities. Also, all the chats you do appear here. So just touch on that. You see the list of your channels. These are the channels I previously joined: engineering, climate leaders, health care inquiry. So if you want to learn about how to join these channels, check out my other video. I did a video on this. Here is about your profile and everything that defines you on the Goodwall, including your achievements, educational background, every other thing about you appears here. So this is your profile picture and this is your about. It tells people who you are and what you do, your skills and whatsoever. This is your profile picture. It shows your picture. Okay, so I made a video about this earlier on, teaching people how to edit your profile. So let's go back to the home screen. So here you see the amount of money you have made on Goodwall doing challenges or whatsoever. So the money will appear here. This is your search icon. If you want to search for people, challenges or whatsoever, just click on it. You'll be able to search for people, post skills, hashtags or whatever. And here is your notification icon. You'll see every notification that is new here. Touch on that and it will take you to the notification channel. So that is just basically the interface of the Goodwall app. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.